And say for the stream recapitulation for the day 8 part 1, Dodge the Creeps project is completed, working nicely. I've done some customizations, like made it work with the image in the background. Over the image there is a colored rectangle set to transparency, and got the joypad to work with the game. Button starts the game on the corp. Put my own music in. Adjusted the volumes on the audio stream players so they're balanced, not too erratic, too loud. Got my that sound on. I got confused at one moment. The input mapping for the keyboard distinguishes completely the alphabetical, the normal enter key and keypad numpad key are completely different things in keyboard mapping by default. And if cursor keys are replaced with joypad, they are actually replaced. There is no, I couldn't get the straight away double mapping the controls, cursor keys E and joypad, just using the project settings mapping input. If I try to edit the existing event action, it's not possible to add to already selected mapped control one more input devices, button or signal or action to the same thing, so they should be somehow done programmatically. So if I had cursor keys mapped, adding the joypad controls just clear the cursor keys and so it's either, for now it's either the joypad or keyboard. Now for me it's keyboard version, joypad version running. And I took my time to understand all the details here in the tutorial. So in the day 8 I'm very comfortable using everything, working, playing, experimenting. Like I mentioned, the game has my own custom sound and image for the background. I didn't customize the player character image. So if I in the project folder, if I get the thumbnails larger, everything is default except my image photo in the background and 2 MP3s for my custom sound. And that's the, let's say, first game chapter here in the documentation completed. What would be the next step? I've already done the first 3D game on video and it also worked perfectly. I didn't have problems with it. So I'm thinking maybe try another tutorial, maybe from community section, or go in detail through the whole manual, the rest of it, because there are some, there is probably introduction, Android web editor, migrating versions, 2D. Here are probably better describe the use cases for the specialized nodes, built-in classes, and also in 3D. And I guess I'm expecting that this far with getting comfortable so far with the engine all together, I'll be able to understand and adopt any explanation here for the specific classes, node types. What is their specialization? Because if one would just start experimenting blindly from the editor itself, just randomly doing whatever, like if I open this scene that I'm not using, if I just try, I don't know, add child node sub resources, let's say I want to add the child node, there are so many of them, and each of them would require testing, experimenting, but actually not super many. Wait, what's going on here? Experiment classes. So there are not super too many nodes. Node? Oh, I got collapsed many of them. Okay, so there are a lot of them and they're specialized. Accept dialog, confirmation dialog, file dialog. Join 3D, 2D, light. So here there are so many provided solutions here. Tile map layer. So many interesting here elements that solve many, not problems, but provide many solutions, many ready-made, ready-to-use implementations of concepts. Whether it's user interface, graphics, special effects, animation, movement, input, more abstract logic. So that's why I'm thinking going through the manual in detail, in more detail, get better familiar with these specialized built-in classes. I'll check that in the next stream. And if I check these, where are the community tutorials resources? There is the is it free find point? Is it this one? This one is a little bit to just scroll through. There is no dedicated list of titles, contents. Even clicking here, the tutorials also. Well, it's a little bit better. More titles showing here. Chiptone. Android. I'm looking for actually, is it GD script website? No. Godot recipes. Where is that? Hey, okay, this one. Back to this one. Here is the 2D game. No. Where is the home? Oh, game tutorials. Okay, game. So you are for version Godot 4.4x 4.3. First 2D game is this one. So this is interesting because it has more details more elaborate details. So I'm curious, how is this implemented? Is there a enemies, what movement patterns? So here we can see what their what the scene, what the enemy entities are built out from, animations, which way. So that would be interesting. So I'm wondering, would I jump to here or go into detail? Maybe you can let me know what you'd like to see. And this is went too long with the recapitulation, but at least that is the idea. But where to go next from here? It feels like a big milestone accomplishment, but this is just the starting bit. Thank you all for stopping by, and the new subs. On 2 new subs on Twitch. Skins 09 helped to get to follower goal on Twitch. 15 followers. My 69 blue. And that's all that I had. Visitors here. Today, it's day 8. Going to the outro. Stay safe. See you soon. Let me know if you'd like to see anything special. If you have any suggestions. Suggestions welcome. Contact me on website exclusively. It's not that I ignore the platforms, but it makes it more personal. I'm a real person. Let's make it personal. Come to my website. Let me know over there. Either using the contact page is actually a comment field, and I don't publish the comments over there automatically. I moderate them, check them myself. It's not automated. Legit site. I take a look at it, take care of it, and so on. Switching to the outro. See you soon.